Good morning, this bright Wednesday in Lagos. We are still on independent television. The program is Independent Investor, where we talk business, politics, and economy. And of course, you know, the mix of all of these determine the direction and the behavior of the stock exchange and indeed the capital market on a daily basis. Today, we have a rich bouquet for you. We'll be talking about emerging Q2 numbers from various companies, the exchange behavior yesterday and at the moment, and then some numbers that, without forgetting that yesterday the Monetary Policy Committee of the Central Bank concluded their two-day meeting and took some decisions. With me is our regular guest,
Ambrose.
Okay, you are welcome, Ambrose.
Thank you.
Yesterday, let's quickly take the numbers. The Nigerian Stock Exchange was up 1.1%. That is the all-share index, and market capitalization gained 108 billion. 6 weeks advance after 6 days of consecutive losses. What happened yesterday?
Yeah, that's what we are looking at, that the outcome of the MPC meeting will be favorable. Some were thinking that now that the economy is on the trail of recession already, they were expecting that CBN at the end of their meeting, MPC meeting, will either drop interest rates and also work on their foreign exchange policy more to make it more attractive and more stable. But on the contrary, they went to increase the interest rate. But before the market people are doing that, now that we are in this state of the economy, we need a good interest rate to attract funds for people to borrow and put the economy in a drive. But as we speak now, with the little adjustment they did yesterday, yes, it's to attract funds that are hiding from foreign investors out to Nigeria. But to me, as an analyst, this is an economy that is already on the recession. You need to ginger growth, you need to ginger activities. And now, if funds are high, how will people borrow to do business? I was thinking that if you cut interest rates, that fund become cheaper. People that have ideas go out and borrow money. People that want to invest, want to expand their business, can still fund to do more business. That activities come back, because since they hiked the general petroleum price in Nigeria and the electricity tariff, that things are really on the upside, and it continues until actually people are earning money. People are going to go, there's no money, they are not earning much for what they are doing. But if they keep funds for people to earn, to people and earn money, when this fund coming out, naturally this trend will start coming down. But CBN has their own objective of adjusting it up. But if the foreign investor will expect any form of direct investment or portfolio, do not comment. It will be at the detriment of you. We are the ones in Nigeria. We are the ones feeling the heat and the pinch.
Okay. Yesterday, Oando lost 10.12%, ETI 8.39%, Access 7.55%, Dangote Sugar 6.8%, Livestock Feeds 5.43%. Now let's start from Livestock Feeds. You know they are seeking 1.1 billion naira by way of rights. Yes, how is that? Is the market reacting to that already?
Yeah, market reacting already. Also, it's good for livestock. Going to the bank to borrow at this high cost of borrowing, you decide to approach their shareholder because the company already has future. Shareholders see the opportunity in the agri sector that these people want to play, and they need big money to play it.
Also, that US is now its majority shareholder,
and US is also one or the other in the government. Automatically, this company will benefit, because if, as we speak now, federal government will let that every day 5.5 million eggs will be spent to feed the school children. If that will come, that means every household and every youth that want to go into poultry business will need fees to grow the poultry farm and all the stuff. On that ground, they have market already. They have markets for their products. On that ground, that's why they are coming back. Let's expand our business before.
So you are preparation to that.
Exactly.
Okay.
And to me, now that Nigeria also diversifying the economy from oil to agriculture, that will be a long way for investors to invest for the long term. Because if you are investing in livestock immediately now to make money, you can make short term return. But for those that are thinking long and are buying at this low price, you make more money. That's why in investment, you do short and you do long, depending on your investment objective.
Okay, Orlando, for some time it was on the losing streak, and now it's
In equity market investment, look at price performance. Price is always what guide investors when it comes to investment. This is a stock that dropped from almost from 18 naira to as low as 2 naira 98 kobo. Then when the low price attraction came, people were taking position again. It moved as high as 8 naira 12 kobo. It dropped. But as at Friday last week, the stock formed what we call double bottom technical analysis. That shows that the stock is about to rebound. That same Friday that he found that double bottom, it reversed. And he gained on Friday, he gained on Monday, he gained today. As we speak now, you see investors will be taking profit from Owando because they release for the profit warning they sent to the market.
Profit warning.
Yeah, they sent to the market that this quarter, this quarter will be posting a lower number. But this is the reason we're putting. And it's like, okay, now they were factored those expectations in. The price dropped as low as 4 naira. 80 kobo, it won't attraction again. That means if you know how to trade these oscillations, this trend as an investor, please have to move on. You are not trading on one now because the fundamental is too strong now. You are taking opportunity of price oscillation to create wealth for yourself. And that is how a good investor or a trader take opportunity in the market, not until you buy and hold. For the market that's speaking, and when market is so volatile like this, you don't buy and hold stock. You trade the market. When you see stability in the economy, because the economy where you are thinking of buy and hold is not stable. What are you thinking buy and hold? You think short-term position, take money and come back. In the process, you have created for yourself. You always understand the scenario, the environment where you're operating. Now that I'm just operating this economy, some market operating the economy, like economy is not stable. You should not be thinking long-term at this point. You should go short.
Okay, so let's go to the decliners. Aviation services down 5.55, Seplat 5%, 7up 4.59, NEM insurance 4%, Sterling Bank 3.1. Seplat. Let's go to Seplat.
Seplat, to me, as people are saying that the crude oil price is dropping, I know that Seplat is a major player in crude business. They are not more in the downstream, they are more of upstream business. Now the crude oil is dropping. People are not selling off to take profit because the stock have moved from as low as 120, 165 to back to 165 naira back to 230.
Okay.
And people have made money in that trend. And such stock they are not the share issue is few and it's few hands. The people are telling now, the people are telling to position in another stock, but this stock has been there. The opportunity to make money is not again there. People are selling off to position in another smaller stock that have opportunity that will make money. Yes, that's right. But in terms of people should not panic. But also, investors that has know what they are doing will not remain because it's not moving anywhere. They have to move to another. That's why I saw.
Okay, 7up.
7up. Look at what they paid as dividend. Many investors were disappointed on the numbers of 7up when they declared the 1 naira 60 kobo as dividend compared to 2 naira 75 kobo they paid the previous year. And also their earnings power dropped marginally. And investors were not happy that they had to treat the stock. The stock that is selling for almost 140, paying 1 naira 60 kobo, the earning yield is very low. On that ground, investors are taking a way for me. They are looking away for the stock.
NEM insurance.
NEM insurance is not pure market forces to still bounce back. NEM insurance is stock that their earnings are powerful and also one of the leading earnings in the insurance sector.
Okay, let's go to the market as of now. As at 10:58 a.m., advancers GT Bank was up 1.1%, GSK 0.92%, Zenith Bank 0.31%, Dangote Flour Mills 0.3%, Champion Breweries 0.21%. What is driving GSK at this point?
If you look at GSK is market forces, but if not read the result, only that they announced a special dividend of 60 kobo, which is not too strong compared to the price they sell about. Because it's a free dividend, investor are taking position. That's why we have seen that the price is going up. But to me, at 18 naira, we're having 60 kobo. It's for those that are in the stock already. I don't want to say should benefit much from it because you are already there. But if you are buying GSK at 18 naira because of 60 kobo dividend, it
doesn't make sense.
It was not a wise decision.
Okay.
But for GTB, when First Bank came to the market yesterday, it changed the direction of all the banking stock yesterday.
Yeah.
People now think that if First Bank can post,
Okay, maybe something maybe the entire industry.
yes,
trouble.
if First Bank can post such, let's say a fair result, and this is a bank that was hit with a non-performing loan for their full year, and they bounce back in their first quarter, posting 47 kobo any per share for first quarter. Now at second quarter, they are posting almost 98 kobo second quarter any per share. People now think that, oh, this sector is not as people are thinking. There's a lot of Buddhists, and you know that they are the major player in the market, and also they are the engine room of any economy. No matter the policy direction, banks will only know how to benefit from that policy. On that, I see that CPI, the GTP, and Zenith Bank, and it's also banks that we're that they will pay interest dividend. Investors naturally go and key in at this level. And when dividend come, as market react to it, it will be cashing out.
Yes. Quickly, Dangote flour mills.
Yeah, Dangote.
Until recently, it was Tiger Brands.
Yes. When the Tiger Brands investor, the foreign investor from South Africa, when they bought Dangote, Tiger Brand from Dangote, they tried to manage the company, but for a good 5 years they were posting loss.
Yeah.
But the unfortunate that it was the year they sold the company back to the original owner that they posted one positive result. That changed the face of the stock. Now, therefore, that was money now. They officially changed the name again to Dangote Flour again. And investors think that if they have posted first quarter results for this hard economy, things have not changed. Now we are seeing the same situation that we are expecting in the second quarter that is better than first quarter. People are positioning in, and also seeing Dangote as one of the richest men in Africa, being there, people are thinking that no, the man will not allow the stock to go down. And also now that his name was not among the top 100 richest men in the world, all his investment will be made. They will find way of making them more attractive. The fact that he can still fall back because they said the new foreign exchange policy has affected him.
Yes.
But now, if the price of those stocks, if the capital market will become more attractive, more bullish, this stock goes up. Its value will also
yes, it's on 101 now, just outside the door.
Exactly. You will bounce back. On that note, people are taking over. I said it earlier in one of the training that we did the last week that investors should pitch their tent where the billionaires are.
Follow who knows.
Exactly. But if you are there, I'm telling you, you will get them. But those guys, these are the things they are using to read them. They will not allow the stocks to go beyond certain.
Okay. Decliners as at 10:58 a.m. Nigerian Breweries. Nigerian Breweries 1.54% down. Oando 0.12. Skybank 0.04. Wema Bank 0.03. And ICO same.
The stocks you mentioned, I'm just laughing, but these are the stocks that since Monday they've gained. And I think that many Nigerians have turned to trader. Yes. Professional traders will have the market. These Nigerian investors have turned to trader because the market is not where you can take long as we speak now. On that ground, you make 10%, 12% on any investment, people are running away. Because if you are putting your money down in money market for 1 year, you won't get to 10%. On that ground, if you have made 10% in 2 days in investment, what are you with people? I see that Nigeria people have moved from 32 naira to 148 within just 3 days. People are likely to bail out. And Oando, for the last 2 days, are giving you 25%. From Monday to Tuesday, 25%. You are good to run. And Skybank, people are taking profit already. Human Bank released the result on Friday. Market reacted on Monday and Tuesday. Today, people are taking profit.
Good numbers.
Good numbers. So, yes, on that ground, this is not panic. This is for people that know how to play the game. They know when to come in and when to go out.
Okay. Let's go to numbers. As at yesterday, FBN Holding Q2 gross earning 267.91 as against 271.26 in second quarter of 2015. PAT 35.8 billion as against 40.06 billion, translating to earnings per share of 98 kobo as against the previous 110 kobo. Net profit margin, that is how much of each naira earned they were able to convert to profit, 13.3%. That means they converted 13 kobo of every naira they earned into profit as against 14.76 in the corresponding period of last year. Now, one issue that crept up in the results, they have a non-performing loans ratio of 22.8%, up from 4.1% in the same period of last year. And we know that the benchmark that the CBN has fixed is 5%. So from 5% to 22.8%, and they made a provision of 69.9 billion naira. Add this to last year's 119 billion that they wrote off to clean off their books. What are your thoughts?
Yeah, if you know, the numbers also are reflected on the price of First Bank. First Bank dropping from for 15 naira to down to 3 naira is a result of this non-performing loan and the declining number they are posting. Despite the numbers associated is relatively good compared to the price, still they are posting a lower number compared to the 2015 number. On that note, investors should also be very careful that if you are investing for First Bank now, don't think of immediate return. Because if, as I said, they are making provision of almost 69 billion naira,
70 billion.
So no provision for non-performing loan. That tells you that the bank have been rotting before now, but that because they have strength, but it is when you make profit that you can make provision. If the banks are not making profit, I'm telling you how they take care of this provision. But the good thing is that at the end of the day, when the provision they are making, the company that are going to start paying, it will come back to the bank as profit, and the investor will benefit from it. That's why they paid the investor 10 kobo from 15 kobo from their last year, because most of the money to pay investors years were used to make provision for the non-performing loan. But when those companies start paying back, especially now that they like the oil, the petroleum sector, then most of them, because that is where they are exposed much, and that means those companies then gradually will start getting something and paying them back. Once it comes, it will go straight to First Bank as profit, because they are using profit to make provision for it. And that's an investors mean that if you are investing in First Bank, you can think medium and long, because what you move First Bank in the short term to trade is not there. But with this kind of number, fine is good relative to the price it's selling. But on the general performance, if you look at the whole indices, that the result is somehow below my own expectation. Looking at the figure that we are just seeing now, but if we look at the price with the number, it's still okay. But for them that are still making high provision for number, that means the bank need to work on their strategy, how to be less exposed to any sector. Let them know how to hide their lending system, so that at the end of the day, they will not be exposed to any. Clearly, now that people are saying that the power sector is also another risk to the bank,
yes,
they need to also sit up at this point. Not at the end of the year. After seeing this good result because of the price, they are not able to pay investor a tangible dividend, because as they are doing, they are making profit already. Let's see that at the end of the year, let them pay a good result to compare a good dividend to compensate investor for waiting for too long. Because for investor to wait for a whole year, you are giving them 50 people, to me it's not attractive.
Okay. Now let's go back to the outcome of the MPC meeting yesterday. MPR was raised 200 basis points to 14% from 12. Cash reserve ratio was left at 22.5, just as liquidity ratio 30%. Now, if I remember very well, last time on this same program, I told you I asked if you were a member of the NPC at this time, how will you vote? You said that you will jack it up a little. Now, the CBN or the members, the committee has played along with you. Would you have acted differently? Maybe on taking advantage of hindsight.
Okay, yes, but now before we're thinking of the interest rate, that the inflation is too high compared to the interest rate at 13, at 12, the MPR at 12 and the inflation at 16, that the margin is small, which they want to close the margin by taking off. But on the other side, on the other hand of the story, if they are increasing it, they are making cost of borrowing high, and that's going to affect the economy. Now the economy is already on this situation. We are already in a recession. The economy is looking down, having a negative GDP. We need to re-engineer the system, revitalize the system by making funds cheaper for people to have access to funds and do business. When they are doing business and making profit, naturally, inflation will come down. But now that they want to see, I know that CBN want to attract funds that you're hiding because there's no yield for money market. You most want to play a risk-free instrument of investment. For going to money market before now, there's nothing coming different. Especially when inflation is almost assisting. But now they just up the gate to 14. I believe the foreign investors they are targeting now, most Nigerians that are also risk averse will come to invest in money market. All those money will start coming out. But the only thing that I see that is not good is that people that want to do business, people coming to deposit their money is for them to make money, pay the interest. But people that will borrow the money to go and do business, if they're not coming, how are you to generate from? But banks is there to create wealth for themselves. That's where they money. But if after you are getting money from the public at a good rate, for people that want to borrow are not coming because it is high, how are you going to marry the two? To me, CBN also should wait and watch their decision. If the foreign investors they are targeting, either the work direct investment or foreign portfolio investment did not come, that means the economy will see the money where it is. I think they should also look at the situation before the next FPC meeting. Let them take the analysis and watch the movement between now and the next round.
And September.
See what they can do. But to me, cost of borrowing is high, and in this kind of environment we are, if we are trying to manage growth and stability at once, it's not possible. So that you face growth and drive the economy, you are going to find stability when see that things are okay. You cannot of stability. You know when things are down. Once they're down, you need to ginger, rekindle, jumpstart the economy again with having access to cheap funds. But now that the funds are high, people will still sit back and watch. We are still on the same part of that economy. It is not good for us.
Okay, so you expected on second thought that the CBN, the committee should have cut the rate for some other reasons. Okay. On that note, it's good to call it a day, and we hope to see you very soon. And viewers, you heard it all. Invest wisely. Good afternoon.